you're working on a computer and your eyes gets blurry towards the end of the day, and you're like slouching, so you'll be like this way. So you try to get close to the monitor. You just see, what's on the monitor on the screen. So you get forward and forward. So this is how it ends up at the end of the day. Yeah. So this neck is kind of really in front of the shoulder. When someone has this forward head posture, round shoulder, the SCM muscle is always tight. The scalene is tight. Another muscle that's tight is this suprahyoid region. We do need to work on this area, but it's in a deeper level. It's called the deep neck flexor. By doing this, chin tuck, or like pushing down, it can activate the deep neck reflexor. And another way to work on that is to have the patient lie down and just kind of bring the chin up a little bit slightly, just about ½ inch. Yeah, so Aaron, if you can lie down just right here. Okay, and then just tuck the chin. One way I can help the patient to understand how to do the chin tuck is kind of go like this way. Kind of go like this, a little heart here. Okay, and then put underneath the chin like this.
No, underneath?
Underneath, yeah, so like here. Like this. There you go, in here. And just push your chin into your thumb. There you go. That's easy to remember, okay? And this is the very beginning, the first level. The second level is just to lift your head up. No, still keep your hand there. Yeah. And lift your head up about ½ inch. There. Can you hold there for 10 minutes? Yeah. So, like 30 seconds, he's gonna start to shake. Yeah, that's how weak deep neck flexor usually is. But that's the muscle that's usually weak. The SCM muscle will be tight, but this deep neck flexor will be weak. So we need to differentiate those two. This one is not gonna work on the SCM muscle as well because the chin is in the retraction position. But a little bit like saying yes, like this way. So up, there. Got it. And that's how we work on. We can use this way to train the posture.
I'm like chasing after posture.